Today, I am playing Basketball 4. I'm able to record now, so that's how I'm recording. So yeah, maybe just because it's loud. How's it? Never mind. Alright, carry you invisible. What the heck? But not fully. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing it. Yeah. What the heck? Wait. What do you mean? No. Oh, that's what they need! Oh, heck no! I'm a shark boy! I'm a shark boy! What if you run into them? Oh no, they just push you down. How did they go through it? Wait. Are you good? Holy! Hey, I'm first! I'm not moving my place. Why is someone called I don't know here? Yeah, that's the girl section. Oh, heck no, I'm in the boy section over here. Did I just fart? What the heck? What is that? Ah! 4 players. It looks like just more than 4 players. Oh, come on! Huh? I want knowledge. I want knowledge. Oh wait. Oh, hey! That was really easy. Oh dear. Yes. Psych, oh my god. Ooh, baby dee 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 dee. There's something in this game called Sonic Elevator. Pretty cool. Yeah, there's a lot here. Hey, I'm pretty sure I Luke Columbus is this. Oh no, it's a spinny one. Yay. What? What? Oh, dang it. There! There's that new gears. Ooh. The milk. What's in the shop today? I want to save them today. Banana! My dad likes bananas. One, and then it should end right now. Oh my god, pressing it! 60 minutes. Okay. I'm just waiting so I can press the button. No, get to the way. Well, what the? Get ready. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Oh, blue is my favorite. Well, yellow and blue are my favorite, actually. Oh, yeah. Alright, easy. That's a target dog? What the heck? Okay, it's going a lot more quicker. Oh, Everyone's dead. Kept the prisons. Ugh. God, I'm so laggy. Any more? Oh, there is. Yay. Yay! Merry Christmas! Oh, Merry Christmas, everybody! Yay! Yay! I like that. No, don't want me, I'm just a chick. Bruh. Oopsie. I'm just a little kid. Holy! I'm just a kid. Reach the bottom. Oh, I don't know. I forgot what it's called though. It's called like Skyfall. Holy! It's called like Skyfall. Oh! Drop blocks thing. I remember seeing this in Minecraft. I actually played one in Minecraft. Yay! I did it. I was the first one. Wait, what? I thought I was the first one. What? This is my pudding. Chocolate milk. Yummy. I like the chalky milk. Get out of my way, people. This is my chalky milk. I'm a god! I have a gun, everybody! This is mine! Jump. Go to the end without jumping. Wait, what? Oh, okay, so it's one of those zombies. It's one of those no jumping zombies. I think I've played one before. I don't remember. Skaka! Take me up, yay. Oh, okay, I get this. Oh. That was funny. That was a fail. Oh my god, everybody! Let me get the button next. Pew, pew, pew! I got a gun! I got a gun! Yeah. Pew, pew. I got a pew, pew. Pew, pew. What the? What's this? Ooh! I like this. Pew pew. It's a pew pew. Wait, what? I didn't even shoot at the ceiling. Okay. Pew pew. Pew pew. I got the pew pew. Pew pew. Holy! What? I dodged it! Wait! What was that? I dodged it. I'm gonna get a torch. Pew! Let's get to the end. Okay. What? Hey, what? Oh, you're supposed to jump over those. Okay. What? I didn't wait! This is what. Oh, there's a windmill. Okay. So it's a wood mountain. Wait! Is my leg that bad? Ah! Oh, monkey! 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 Finally! Ooh. Okay. Finally made it. Okay. Jumped on blocks till we reached the end. Oh, heck no, I'm bad at these. If I did that. This is like from, I forgot what the game was called. Let's think about it. Duck. A Crossy Road. Holy! No. Yes. One. I'm so close. I'm close, I'm close. Yay! I did it! Oh, I'm the first one! Yay! And yes, that's my real username at the top of the screen. Okay, someone actually made it. I got a torch. Just light the way. Here, you just keep this is useful. And this can heat me up. What is this for? I forgot. Oh, I forgot about that. Hey, no! It's revealing my real face. No! The most easiest thing to do. Ooh. Oh, he's just so scared. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Should I just reset? I don't know. Oh, this is from Fall Guys. Oh, heck no. I play Fall Guys. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Just do this. No! Stop! Stop! No! No! You little idiot! No! That idiot! He ran into me! I hope he loses. I'm gonna fall off. Oh man. Why? Wait, I'm a shark! No, no! Okay, I needed that. Yay. I forgot what's a shark. What is here? I forgot I was a shark. Ooh, run. Okay, I like run. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog! Yo! Like and subscribe if I should make a Sonic the Hedgehog avatar. Yeah, da, 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 Oh, come on! What happened? Huh? Ow! Hey, what happened to me? Bro, that's not fair. Oh, hello, guys. Let me take this call. Alright, I'm back, so I can the call. I didn't see it. I was doing something. I think I'm gonna lose. No. I'm just gonna eat this whole ice cream. Yummy. Yummy. It's very yummy. 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 Everyone, don't mind me. I'm just eating this ice cream. Yummy. Okay. I like to climb up the Easter eggs. I'll take. I have a feeling one's up here. Never mind. This is my home now. What happens if I eat a mushroom? I'm gonna eat a mushroom. Yummy. It sort of tastes like chicken! Ow! I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, guys.